It's a winter sow peep, y'all. Look at it. Survived the snow, the ice, and the freezing temperatures. Even when it dipped down into the teens, it did so well. So now I'm going to pot them up in different pots so that they can grow until I'm ready to put them where I want them to be. Just wanted to show that. So I got them out of the milk jug, and I just shook the bottom of the root balls a little bit so I can separate the seedlings. And try not to pop any roots. They're rooted in good. The root systems are good. Just hope they stay that way once I separate them. Check these babies out. Healthy plants. They'll go through a little shock, but I think they'll be fine once I repot them. So I ended up with 51 Bachelor Buttons from one milk jug. And yes, they look weepy, but they'll perk back up. They're just being transplanted, so they're a little bit in shock, but they'll be fine, I do believe. And here is the blue Bachelor Buttons. I'll separate these now. So I ended up with 54 in this batch.